It's another round of Lux. Ring the bell.
Light night, lit it up in the shadows and hide out from me. 'Cause when I swing, it's light night. Prepare for a battle that you never see. 'Cause when I hit the ring, it's light night.
East Coast, baby, see my glow shine bright. Lady Lux, drowning out that twinkle like a floodlight. Lux, be a lady, getting litty, no doubt. Time to show these flickers how to blow a ball out.
Who's she? Oh, that girl is bad. Who could that be? Looked in the mirror, said it must be me.
That little body ain't go to. Girl, you better stop. Pink illuminates like 100 million watts.
Drippin', I'm hot.
Cheer
They know they don't have what I
Extreme.
do. Drippin', 'cause I'm way too hot.
And in this corner, the reigning champion of the world, Lady Lux.
Take them down, make them all kick rocks. We all know you ain't the brightest crayon in the box. When the world needs color, I'm breaking out the pink.
When it's us against the world, of course I'm gonna win. What did you think?
Girl, you tryna be the light, you can't even blink.
I am your light. I am your light. The only one to radiate this bright. I will rise through the dark in the darkest hour. The only living proof in this life, and I'll shine forever.
Take your seat right now, it's time for a double L. Light up the stage and begin, oh, I wear it well. Can't take away this energy, it's fucking just right.
Lady Lux.
That's electricity, that's love at first light. Pink is perfect for this Luxy lady look. And when we lighten up the world, I know you gon' be shook. Yeah, can't stop this experience. I'm like an LED, my pink is eternity. All the lights belong to me.
Lady Lux.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Cheer Extreme Lady Lux. And that concludes our competition.